What's going on, everyone? We are on Cheltenham Avenue, doing a little ride along here. We are going to take Cheltenham Avenue through to Ogontz Avenue and then turn right on 309 North. This does mark one of my most hated roads in Philly. Why? Because, well, you got some bad intersections, and you got people that shouldn't be allowed to drive that use Cheltenham Avenue. Rush hour is over now. It's 9:30 in the morning. So it should be a little more tame now, but let's find out. Alright, he clearly just went through a red light. That light was dead red when he went through. Coming up on some major intersections up here. Notoriously known for accidents, let's put it that way. Washington Lane's one of them. All these intersections have had accidents, but some way more than others. And if you see my previous video, you know I hate Ogontz and Cheltenham Avenue. Just because of the pure amount of volume, people breaking traffic violations, and accidents. Passing Cheltenham Avenue and Washington Lane. Pretty big entrance to the Linwood Gardens here, which is a huge apartment complex. Wonder what the total population is, or how many units there are in there. Got to be over 1,000. And if you've ever delivered anything or like do the gig apps, that's what I do. It's a confusing place for doing that. It's not very well signed properly, telling you where you need to be. Here we are, Washington Lane and Cheltenham Avenue. A very congested and busy intersection. Coming up on one of the strip malls on the right, which used to be the Cheltenham Mall back in the day. Cheltenham ave and 79th. Still early. Chick-fil-A line's not out to Cheltenham Avenue yet. Come by here about 11:30. Chick-fil-A line possibly could be all the way out to Cheltenham Ave. Been there, seen that. Though I've never actually gotten anything from that particular Chick-fil-A. Okay, that guy was just in the wrong lane. He was in the turning lane and he continued going straight. That's Cheltenham Ave. We are now on 309 North. If you recall, we did a video here about a week and a half ago. Wawa up here on the left is a fairly new Wawa. It was built about 4 years ago. I remember when it first opened. It's one of the first Wawas in this little area here. And I never did understand why some parts of Philly just don't have Wawa. But I think it's out of a safety violation. They don't like to go into the high crime areas. But with that said, you do have Wawas over a couple Wawas, like Harbison Avenue area, down around that way. Frankfurt has one. I mean, that's a high crime area. Yeah. sudden stop there. And we are at Cheltenham and Greenwood Avenue. Our exit off is going to be up here at Easton Road. Coming up here is Easton Road. Up on the left, we will be passing Arcadia University, formerly known as Beaver College. And I don't think I need to say why they changed the name of the school. But yes, it used to be called Beaver College back in the day. Beautiful campus. Oftentimes, riders who I've taken to Arcadia University, they will describe the main building like Hogwarts from Harry Potter. And there's some students going to class now. And it's true, the castle building, it does kind of look like Hogwarts. There's a lot of history in that building. I believe it dates back to the early 1900s. Maybe 1800s. Not sure about that part, though. Would have to find out. We are now coming into the beautiful town of Glenside. At Easton Road and Waverly Road. Still would like to know what this site's going to be on the left. Something tells me it's going to be a Super Wawa. There are anti-Super Wawa signs here. No Wawa gas, no Super Wawa for the longest time. You don't see those signs anymore. And they were proposing to put in a Super Wawa in Glenside. Something tells me that's going to be it. We shall see. It's going to make that intersection more congested if it is, that's for sure. Coming up on Glenside Ave and Easton Road, up above would be the tracks for the Glenside train station. You have the Warminster line, and you have the Lansdale-Doylestown line, which services on these tracks. That's also a good spot for train watching, as is the next station down, which would be Jenkintown Station. Passing Mount Carmel and Easton Road. And we're going to leave you off up ahead at Keswick Avenue, over by the historic Keswick Theater, which, yes, at one time it was a movie theater. Now it puts on shows and performances. Lots of great shows, I must add. St. Luke's Catholic Church on the left. And should we turn into the village of Keswick? Why not? Up here on our left is the Keswick Theater. Next to it's the Village Diner. This abandoned place next to Keswick's, well, not in business at the moment. That used to be called Dino's Backstage. That was kind of like a small restaurant, place where you could get drinks. We'll continue around the circle here. We got Humpty Dumplings, Queen Sushi. That looks like we got an art place next to it. And once again, here is the Keswick Theater. Let's see who's coming. Toad the Wet Sprocket's coming here on October 6th. Go. There's actually a lot of good shows coming up pretty soon. Alrighty, thanks for watching this ride along. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos like this or anything else we do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.